Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature to your SMS on Textme. So let's get started. First, open your Textme application. Tap on the Me option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then this panel is going to show up. Select Text option which is under Settings option. To add signature to your SMS on Textme, now tap on Signature option and then type in your signature. Once you're done, tap on the Save button. And this is how you can add signature to your SMS on Textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.